Today's dish is Methi Matar Malai, which is prepared with fenugreek leaves and green peas in a creamy sauce. The ingredients are flashed on the screen right now, and we'll be preparing this dish Indian style. So here are the ingredients before you. We will need 3 tablespoons of desi ghee or clarified butter, 100 grams of methi or fenugreek leaves. These have been boiled and the water squeezed out. We will also need 200 grams of boiled green peas. You can take frozen peas instead. 25 cashew nuts, 2 sliced onions, 1½ cups of milk, 1 cup of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger and 1 chopped green chilli, some whole spices, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 6 to 8 green cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves, and 5 to 6 black peppercorns. You can take half a teaspoon of pepper powder instead of the black peppercorns. We will need 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. So to start with, keep a pot on high heat, add sufficient water, and put in the chopped onions and the cashews. We'll be boiling these till they turn soft. We should take about 5 minutes, but keep stirring continuously. The onions and the cashews have turned soft. Put off the heat and strain out the water and transfer them to a grinder bowl. Add in the whole spices as well and grind these to fine paste. To help in making a fine paste, add just a little water, only as much as needed to make this paste. So the paste is ready. We'll keep it aside. So keep a wok on high heat. Add the ghee and heat it till it melts. The ghee has melted. We'll strain out the paste into the ghee and saute it for about a minute. The heat now is on medium. Keep stirring continuously. So after a minute, we're going to add in the chopped green chili and the ginger and garlic paste and continuously stir it for about 4 to 5 minutes till it turns medium brown. While roasting this, if you feel the masala or the spice mixture is getting dry, add in a teaspoon of ghee like we have done and carry on roasting it until it is done. The puree is roasted, the ghee is separated out. We will add in the milk. We stir it well and let it come to a boil. The milk has come to a boil, reduce the gas to low, add in the fresh cream, and now stir it well until it mixes. The fresh cream is completely mixed with the mixture. We'll add in the methi and mix this again until this also completely mixes with the entire mixture. So this is done. We'll add in the salt and the spices, the garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. Stir this until it mixes well and then add in the green peas. Stir the green peas in and cook this for about 5 minutes. If the sauce tends to thicken up, add a little milk like we are doing, just about half a cup or so, and cook it until it is done. So our dish is done. At this point of time, check the salt and the spice level and add if needed. We need to add a little salt. We're going to add about a quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon of salt. We stir it in and then add in the kasuri methi. These are dried fenugreek leaves. We stir it well and then cook for a minute more. So keep stirring all this while, since the gravy is quite thick, so that it doesn't scorch or burn. So finally our dish is ready. We'll put off the heat and transfer this to a serving bowl. So here is our dish of the day, Methi Matar Malai. It's a very creamy, a very delicious dish. You can have it with roti, paratha, naan or rice. Do try it and give us your feedback. If you like the recipe, if you like the dish, please share the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice day and please keep watching. Thank you.